It's Vlogmas day 8. It's funny how you get up in the morning and you think, what am I gonna shoot today? What kind of topics can I bring up? And then life just throws stuff at you. My wife's car won't start, so she called me and I gotta race home and give her a jump and figure out what's going on with that. It's never dull, that's for sure. Success! Problem number 2 is our garage door won't shut with the opener, but it will shut. Disconnecting the opener, I don't know what the answer is. So she's got to call the guy and he's got to come fix it. Like I said, it's never dull. So homegirl's got to take her car to the shop where she bought a battery. It's the second time it failed on us in a couple of days. There's also a garage door in our house. The garage door opener won't close if the garage is open. So there's a problem there. So she's calling that guy to fix that. Maybe this day will end well, maybe it won't. We'll see what happens. Vlogmas 2020, the struggle is real. Here's one good thing that happened though. When I was out earlier, look what I got in the mail. Hello, I'm what you've been waiting for. I'll bust it open and see what it looks like. Come on. It's even wrapped up in a little cellophane bag. It's kind of nice. This is awesome. A Vlogmas face mask. Vlogmas! It's my Vlogmas 2020 shirt. And there you go. Well, here's an update. I got a call from the garage door guy about 5 minutes ago. He's going to be at our house in 20 minutes. So we're going to race over there and meet him, figure out why the garage door is not shutting or why the opener is not working. Actually, it's opening. It's just not closing. That's where we are there. The problem is it's got these cool little lights that keep a cat or a child from standing under the garage door. See that little black thing right there? It's got a laser beam that you can't see. It goes all the way across to this other one on this side of the garage. So what had happened was, in this little hole, some leaves blew in there and it was blocking the light. So once I clean those leaves out, everything works fine. Goes down just like it's supposed to. Now here's the next thing. Our garage door guy is named Patrick. He's with Ideal Garage Doors in Dallas, Texas. We called him when we were having the problem. He came over and told us about these lights and fixed it. Didn't charge us anything. Didn't have to do anything, but he still had to come over. That comes from establishing a relationship. We know Patrick from a networking group we're in, local businesses. So we've had lunch with him, heck, every week for a couple of years. So when you need something like that and you call a friend that knows how to fix it and he just swings by, kind of cool. That's the power of relationships. Thanks for watching my little video about garage door openers. If you got value out of this video, click the like button. Go ahead and click subscribe and press that bell to get notifications whenever I post something new. If you've got something to add, please leave a comment. It really helps the channel. Have a great day, everybody. Happy Vlogmas.